morning, Jarvis. It's your boy Pete right here. I got a quick tips for you guys today, and I'm gonna show you guys how fast and easy it is to just jump off your truck, enter your code, and start pumping fuel right away, so you don't have to wait. And I got a bonus tip coming up too, but I'm gonna show you how I do it. But that's another topic for another video. So stay tuned, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what else you want me to do, and any questions just ask, and then if I know it, I know it. If I don't, just look for it, do my research, and bring it to you guys. That's why we're here, helping each other, keeping America rolling strong. All right, y'all, so let's get to it right now. Let me show you how I can fuel right now, bang, 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 without even touching the car, touching the keypad, or all of that, doing all these things. Let's go, man. Let me show you that. Boom, and just like that, I got my code.